Good morning, YouTube. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Today I'm just going to unwrap some GTO stuff. A little Christmas early for GTO parts. I'll keep it short, but I thought people might be interested in seeing what we happen to get here. So I got 4 boxes. I'm not going to do them all because some of it's just valve cover and stuff like that. I'm going to show you, have a look at it. But this all came from Ames Performance. This is not a promotion for Ames Performance, but they do send some pretty nice stuff. So if you watched any of my other videos, my headrests on the original seats are cracked a little bit, so I found some aftermarket, or not aftermarket, from Ames. Now the one trick is I'm going to have to paint these. They didn't come pre-finished. I did order seat backs, which you'll see in another box, as well as the sides, and those are fully assembled and colored. But that's this box. So I'll give Ames credit for one thing, they pack this stuff pretty well. What a mess. Actually, this is better than the stupid styrofoam balls, carriage, whatever you want to call them. So these this will be the sides for the seats. If you are familiar with the GTO seats, you know they've got a plastic side on them. Put these in here. Holy cow. So these already come pre-painted in the blue. They may not look blue in this camera, but they are dark blue, which matches the requirements for my car. So this would be the driver's side outside edge. So got that. Here's the other one to figure out. Scratched up here. So next we got valve cover gaskets, rubber instead of cork. That's interesting. So 2 of those. So I did order new valve covers, also from Ames. And then here are the seat backs. These I was very excited about. Oh crap, hope they match the blue. Oh, they don't. That sucks. Well, I'm going to have to go look at these and figure out which is which, but they're supposed to match. It's the same shipment, so that'll be interesting. So that's boxes 1 and 2. Let's get to the next one. So next we got parts. This is what it is. Oh, GTO badge. Oh, I ordered a badge kit for the exterior. So that's the back GTO badge, which you can probably see through there. And then this is the trunk badge. And let's see, I think these are probably the side badges. I say Christmas. These are the side badges. GTO badges for the sides of the fenders. That'll be good. So that'll be nice and fresh. The ones that were on the car were missing, which really sucks, but that's life. Next are valve cover parts. I ordered the whole valve cover kit. So it comes with the nuts, or the bolts, sorry, and the cap, and the flange for the breather. So that's in here. Let's see. Nice. So that'll make our motor look nice. I say it's all freshly painted, fresh water pump. Everything's pretty much ready to go on that. And maybe with a little bit of luck, if Jeremy makes it over, we'll get this, get the valve covers on and the motor in this weekend. So we get a couple more big boxes here. We'll see what's in these in a second. Here's also another sizable box. We already know what that is. So I did order the upgraded carpet. I'll get a picture of it here in a second, but I got their top quality carpet with the this came in the carpet kit with the rubber backing stuff that goes on the floor. So I'm not going to undo that because I don't want to screw it all up. But yeah, it's all going to be good here when it's in. So this should be, yes it is. This is the rear package tray for above the back window. And I thought I ordered this with the stipple holes for the speaker, but I'm not seeing it. I'm going to take it out of here. Let's just see what we got here. Man, the long arms, I still can't get it off. Huh. Well, I think that's also the wrong blue too, son of a gun. Alright, so we'll figure that out. But no, it does not have the stippled holes, which it says it should. Huh. 68 to 72 package tray regular. And on my receipt it says '68 to '72 stippled cardboard package tray. So I got the wrong one somehow or another. We're on a roll. Also in here we have the new headliner. GTO 5-bow headliner with sails. So the sails are in here. So those are both the sail panels. There's 2 of those in here. The interior's going to be in pretty good shape. I did order the, be interested to see if anybody has any comments. I did order the dash, the molded dash instead of the dash cover, and a couple people commented to me just to get the dash cover. And I've seen on YouTube, and they actually look pretty good. So my dash is cracked. Here are the body by Fisher side moldings for the step into the door. Those come with the carpet kit. Say Chevelle. It says GTO in one place. Oh, GMA body, so they must be standard. So body by Fisher. Those are the door sills. So that's Christmas today. So we'll get back onto this car later this afternoon. I'm sitting out here cleaning up some parts. It's about 7:30 on Thanksgiving morning. I came over here about 6 a.m. this morning, couldn't sleep and wanted to get some stuff done, and kind of excited to get the car going. So I'll show you some more video real quick here to close this out, and be right back. So just winding this up. Obviously we have the wrong steering wheel on here now. That was in for the show car when this was a World of Wheels car, but kind of shame to have to replace all this headliner and stuff. It's mildewed and stuff like that. I guess I could possibly clean it up, but it's got a couple tears in it in some places, and originally we were going to save it, but I think we're just going to can it and start over. As I said, I've got a whole new dash on order, and I've been hearing from people just to put a dash cover on it, so I'm contemplating, haven't decided. Again, it's just dirty. It is cleaned out, but again, it's an air-conditioned car. And yes, that is a ratchet shifter on this, his or hers. And I believe it to be factory. Actually, I need to pull the build sheet, but I am pretty sure it is. Again, on this car, we replaced the floor pans on, that's the passenger side, and that's the driver's side, but now she's beautiful. So anyway, that will wrap up this video. Like I say, I just wanted to share Christmas from Ames on Thanksgiving Day. And next video, we'll be putting the front end back together, maybe pulling the pumpkin cover off the back of the diff and getting that changed and just getting it ready to put back on the ground. Expecting a few more parts tomorrow for it. and getting her back together. So please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you get the warnings when the videos download. But if any of you have parts, I'm looking for complete headlight, grill, front stuff. I need the marker lights for the front, the parking lights for the front, the dual headlights, the grill, the headlight buckets. If I don't get them here pretty shortly, I'm going to go ahead and order new ones off of Ames. But I'm going to use existing tail lights. I am going to order new taillight bezels. The ones I've got, as you may have seen in the last video from last January or November, whenever it was, are pretty crappy. They were painted, and when they painted them, they must have roughed them up. I was hoping the chrome would be good underneath, but not the case. So anyway, don't want to drag on, but happy Thanksgiving if you're seeing this on Thanksgiving Day. Otherwise, happy belated Thanksgiving, and we'll be back soon.